Hello everyone, today we will be doing the binary search problem on Leetcode. So according to this question, we are given an array of integers nums which is sorted in ascending order and an integer target. Write a function to search target in nums. If target exists, then return its index, otherwise return -1. And the time complexity, runtime complexity has to be log n. So how are we going to achieve this log n time complexity? So let me first go give you a rough idea of what binary search is. So in binary search, we need a sorted array. This won't work with unsorted arrays. So basically what we do is we take an array, we split it in half and see which half um, the element to be searched in will be in. So and then discard the other half. When say, say it is an array of integers. In this, it's the middle element is obviously going to be either the right solution, either the target element, or the or going to be less than the target element or greater than the target element. If it is less than the target element, then it means that it is in the other side, the greater side. If it is greater than, then it means it's on the lesser side. So that's what we do. We take this array now and then we divide this again in half, check the other, go on. So in the worst, even in the worst case, this takes log n time complexity. And the worst case comes if the element is either the first element or the last element. So now, so in this context, how do we solve it? So we have an array like, let me take an example from the examples given here. So it's -1, 0, 3, 5, 9, and 12. So now let us have a let me change color to orange or something. So you have a min, you'll have a max here. And what we do in the first iteration is we first find the middle element. So in this case, this is in the middle. So what we do is we make this the mid element and see on which side of the mid this we see if first is middle element the target element. Here in this case it's not the target element, so we see if it lies on the left or on the right. This is left, this is right. If it lies on the left, what we do is we change. If it lies on the left, what we do is we change max to mid. If it lies on the right, as in this case, we change minimum to mid. And then again we repeat this, and now it's 9. Now the mid element is 9. This is our new mid. This is the right number, so we return mid index, which is this. We return this index. So now, how do we code this? So first we start with min idx. So again, min started at the 0th index, so we start min at 0. Max idx equal to length of nums -1. And then we do this while min is less than or equal to max idx. Yes. So another case is if the target element is not in the array, we search through the entire thing, and when we like divide we check for this condition. Min index has to be always less than or equal to the max index. Now this, this case, so basically this while loop exists when both min and max point at the same index. So now after this we can go and search for our first condition. If no, we go and first do mid equal to min idx plus max, divide this by 2, and then we go do this. If target is less than nums of mid, if the target is less than, wait a second. So now let me look at this. If the target is say less than the number, so it lies on this side, right? Wait, target is let me again clearly do this. This is getting confusing here. So you have 1 2 3 4 5 6 and say the target is 5. Tar Mid is going to be 3, right? In the less than case, say target is equal to 2, we need to shift the max index to the middle, right? So that's what we do here. Max idx equal to mid, elif target dot is greater than nums of mid, then we do the opposite. We change the minimum index. Min underscore idx equal to mid. Else, if it is neither greater than nor less than, it has to be equal. So when it is equal, we return the mid value. Else we return -1 if it is not in the if it's not in the array. Let me run this and see if it works. Min idx. Let me run this and see if it works. Time limit exceeded. What if I just try this? Yes, if we have it equal to, I don't think it will work. So minimum has to be less than maximum index. Again, time limit exceeded. Wow. Yep. I think I had solved this in the past. Let me go look at my solution from. Okay, so let me. Okay, so let me try this. Let me try doing it like if there's an indentation error here. Return. Can we do this and see if this has to work? Submit. Just a second. Let me try pasting the same solution and see if it works. Machines. This was done like a long while back last year. Let me see if this works. I try to run this. Yep, it worked. Yes, this got accepted. Uh, so this is similar to what we had done. The only difference which I can point out is yes. So the mistake what we made there was this. We took the middle element instead of taking the exact middle element. We had to take from one element to the left or to the right of the mid. So that is what we that is what was supposedly wrong, I believe. Rest all should have been the same. That also should have worked. So that's it. Thank you for watching.